All right, we are here at the Porsche Checked Out event 2022. I'm so excited, guys. Welcome to another vlog. Cars are Luis. We're in beautiful city of Chicago. Can't wait to show you the amazing cars. All right, let's go. Construction out here is crazy. It's wild. And the beautiful artwork. Look at that. I like it.
I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you.
And there you go, look at that 918 Spider from my Hamilton collection. So they have cars all the way that way. Then we go this way, and we have, that's pretty cool, man. We got more cars this way.
You know my friends think that I'm crazy, cause you're all that I can see. I hope that we will make it, cause I'm falling here for real. You know that I can do more, just wanna care for you, babe. Why we keep on playing all of these games? I don't wanna go, cause your love is what I want, babe. You know that I wanna stay this way forever. I wanna stay up all night with you. No games to play, just wanna stay up all night with you. I know that it won't be easy, maybe we're just too alike. I wanna stay up all night with you.
Wifey thinks that this beautiful setup here is really cool because this Porsche is towing this thing. Oh my God, look at that. Wow. Look at the wing on that thing, man. I don't know if you guys can see it. Come on, let me see a little wing action. Boom, look at that. That is freaking cool. Nicely done, dude. Wow. But yeah, she says this is cool. What do you guys think about this? This beautiful. I don't know if this is chalk or fashion gray, but this GT3, that 911, variety of cars. But one car I really wanted to come and take a look at was this color over here. I'm not sure what they call this color, but this is freaking sexy, man. Look at this car, dude. Guys, please tell me what the color of this thing is. Comment below and let me know what you think about this color. Wow, thumbs up on that. And then there's a 720S over here. That's so freaking cool. So they have this one over here. But my wife says that she likes this car over here. You guys can see it. My wife likes. These guys are closing. They have the last set of cookies here, so I'm gonna take. She's a big Red Velvet fan, so I'll take one of these. So I took a lot of the cookies, guys, right here. Wow, Red Velvet, so good. Pretty epic.
Look, Chloe.
No, look at the color of this. It's pink. Damn, that's so freaking cool, man. Love it. Well, that one's really low, by the way. Alright, so let me have this freaking thing. Look how beautiful this is. Shout out to Car Jellin. Look at this. Look at the canards on this thing. This thing is badass, dude. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And it's a YSEC too, man. RS. God, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Right. So behind me, we have more Porsches. You guys can see, well, when this gentleman moves, he's gonna take a selfie. Hold on. So right back here, see that? We have, I want to say the Shark Blue GT3. I don't know, but it's really cool, I think. Wow, this is pretty cool. I love the wheels on that. As you can see, they pretty much have everything here. Really cool. Porsche heaven, man. My favorite one has got to be that CGT that was over there, for sure. And the Hamilton Collection 918 Spider. Well, they have this racing team out here, but then we have more racing cars over here. More racing cars right here. Look at this one. I remember this car. The owner is right there. Look at the wheels on this thing. That's how cool it is. Beautiful. What's up, dude?
Oh, it's my friends, yeah.
Yeah, no, I really, we're just saying how much
Did you
delivery.
take the keys from your friend so we can turn it on? Wow, check this out. That is gorgeous. Yeah, I think this spec. Wow, that's a nice spec. This is. I love the wheels on this thing. Actually, both of these setups over here, even this one over here, this is sexy right here. This is a nice freaking car, man. Look at the wheels on that. You know? So if you guys take a look back, this spec is just simply freaking sexy, man. Look at the wheels. Nice, I love it. Of course, before Carrera 4. This is really beautiful. Gorgeous. Just Porsche heaven out here, man. Check out this car. Look at the wheels on this thing. Wow. Alright, so they're saying that this red car over here is supposed to be a really special car. Right here. That's what they're saying. What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know what you think about this car. It's got a special body kit on it. That's what is making it really rare. So my wife got us an ice cream cone for Chloe. How sexy that Spider looks. 17A Spider, man, with the magnesium wheels. That's what it's called. Oh, look at that over there. That is freaking cool, man. Wow.
This love, we just gotta hold on tight. Cause I know we will be alright, babe. You know that I will miss you if